This is our microwave human motion sensor. This is using the one zone sensor unit, and the sensor head itself is a flush and flat design. It detects human movement through wood, glass, acrylic, and is ideal for concealed installations and modern minimalist designs or interiors. It has a snap fit, easy design into the sensor unit, and the cable is 1 meter, perfect for flexible installation. Once you have your circuit set up, power's running through, the LED will light up. This has sensed movement as I am above the camera, and you can change the time delay for when the LED turns off. You can see when I wave my hand over the unit, the LED will light up. Using the set key, you can have configurable delays from 10 seconds to 300 seconds, and you use the set key into the hole with the LED indicator flashing certain times to set different time delays. You can also change the detection distance as well with a short or long press with the set key to change those settings. This has a 0.5 to 5 meter detection range and has a 120 degree wide angle as well.